Let's see the next question in this exercise. Question 5 to 4. Which term of the AP, arithmetic progression, uh, is 78? And we have been given this particular progression 3, comma 8, comma 13, comma 18, dot, dot, dot. So let's rewrite this arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is that arrangement of numbers where the difference between successive terms is uniform, constant, and that is denoted by common difference. So what do we know about this arithmetic progression? Number one, the first term, which is denoted by A, is 3. The common difference, which is the difference between two successive terms, is 5 because 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, and so on. So the common difference is constant, and that's why it is AP. If the common difference is not constant, this is not arithmetic progression, not AP, and we cannot use any formula. Such question will not be asked. Now, we have been told that nth term, we don't know what is n here, and we have to find out whether it is 15th term, 20th term, 19th term, we don't know. But that term itself is 78. We have to find out the value of n. So that means if I expand this arithmetic progression, after how many terms, what will be the position of the number 78 if I write sufficient number of terms successively? We know that for arithmetic progression, the nth term is always given by the formula an, which is nth term, is first term plus n minus 1 times d. In the previous video, we have seen the logic of this expression. We always start with the first term that serves as a reference. And in order to reach nth term, we have to jump n minus 1 times, and each jump is d. So we actually added n minus 1 times d to our baseline reference, and that's how we reach to the nth term. We will simply substitute the formula. An is 78, the first term is 3, n, which we don't know, n minus 1 will be kept as it is, times 5. This 3 will be brought to the other side, it will become subtracted. So 78 minus 3 is whatever is still on the right hand side. So 75 is n minus 1 times 5. We will divide both sides by 5, and that will give us 15 is equal to n minus 1. This negative 1 we can transfer on the other side, and that will become positive 1. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, and that will be 16. So what is the meaning of this answer? If I expand this arithmetic progression, and if I write 16 terms, the 16th term will be 78. Now, if you have some spare time in the exam, this should not take that long, because 16 is, we can write 16 terms in less than 60 seconds. Further, the difference is 5, that is going to help us. So let's try that one. What we are going to do right now, remember, 16 is your final answer. They have asked which term. So it's the 16th term, that's your answer. You can stop right here, absolutely no problem. But let's say we want to double check and make sure our answer is correct. I'm going to expand this arithmetic progression and make sure that I reach up to 78. So let's try that one. I will start with 3. I will keep on adding 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, and so on. And since it is plus 5, I note that the digit will be either 3 or 8, 3 or 8. It will end always 3 or 8. That's a good part about common difference 5 or 10 or 100. That helps us save some time. So if you realize that, eventually I will reach to 78. Now, what is the meaning of this 16? So if I count all the terms, the position of this 78 will be 16th. So let's check that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That means our answer is correct. It took us less than 60 seconds. If you want to be 100% positive, if you have some spare time, please do that. That will give us some happiness, and it will boost your confidence. So the final answer, the location, position of 78 in this arithmetic progression is number 16. That's your final answer.